video, I'm going to show you how to add photos to your Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Lightroom app, and after we open it, it opens up in the gallery here. Then, in the top left corner, there is an Add Photos option. If we tap on this, it's going to open up our Finder if we use a Mac, or this PC application if we use Windows. And then we can select from our computer a folder from which we want to import images. Then from the folder we select the images that we want to import, and then tap Review for Import, and then our images are added to our Lightroom gallery. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.